Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2019 Ram 1500 Rebel Crew Cab in bright white. With black headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power folding mirrors, RAMBOX cargo management system, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 49,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6336A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.